Please subscribe to my channel and also make sure you press the bell icon to get the notification of my future videos, and it is absolutely free.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, I will show you how you can stop Windows 10 to reopen the apps which were open when you shut down the computer or restarted the computer. Actually, this feature was added by Fall Creator Update in Windows 10. Some people like this feature of Windows 10, but some wants to disable it. They want to start their computer fresh whenever they shut down or restart. So I'll show you some settings with the help of which you can disable uh, Windows 10 to reopen those apps which were open when you shut down or restart the computer. The very first one is a key combination Alt and F4. So when you press Alt and F4, you get the option to shut down or even restart. If you shut down or restart your computer from this window, those apps will not open up and your computer will start fresh. The second way is you can create a shutdown button using a run command, and that can be done by simply right clicking on the desktop, and we'll create a shortcut and we'll type a command that is shutdown space R space forward slash T space 0. That is shutdown space forward slash R space forward slash T space 0. Click next, click finish. So if you double click this, it will shut down your computer, and whenever you will start your computer, it will start fresh. The third way is right click on this desktop screen. Will create another shortcut that will be for restarting. And that is shutdown shutdown space forward slash R space forward slash T space 0. So the first icon is to shut down your computer when you just want to shut down, and second one is to restart. If you want to restart your computer for any reason, it will restart fresh. And if you want Windows to use fast boot, then there is one more command, and we will create one more shortcut for that. So right click on the desktop, new, click on shortcut, type shutdown space forward slash S space forward slash hybrid space forward slash T space 0, and click next. Name it fast boot and click finish. So you can click on the respective icon. If you want to shut down the computer, you can click on shutdown. If you want to restart, you can click on restart. Or if you want to do a fast boot, you want to shut down your computer quickly, click on fast boot. Well, that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you liked the video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done that yet. And also make sure you press the bell icon to get the notification of my future videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.